morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. Last day of the week, Friday morning, and of course, we got yesterday very crazy day because of the interest rate decision from ECB. They kept exactly the interest rate like before, so this is why we saw the euro going up and down like hell actually, and it closed the day just with one very big indecision candle. As you can see here, yesterday opened here and closed almost on the same level, went down, went up, very big volatility. We got almost 90 pips volatility yesterday and closed on the same day. This is exactly why I don't trade the euro US dollar. Today we have gross domestic product in US 1230. US dollar probably is gonna start moving around this time, and it's gonna be, I would say, very interesting day, last day of the week. So this is the situation with euro US dollar. This is exactly why I don't trade euro US dollar, simply because it's very unpredictable right now and better stay out of it. GBP, Great British Pound, what's happening? Tested the support 1.2439, and as you can see, the GBP was much more stable than the euro yesterday. It's still trying to follow the downtrend that we're having since the last couple of months even, and definitely we can see today test of 1.2417 or breakout and test of 1.2381. So we are talking about 50-60 pips difference from the current level to the major support. For now, I'm gonna stay away from Great British Pound just because it's staying on the support level and it's a little bit shaky because of the euro also. Australian US, what is happening? Tested the resistance here on 0.7046, false breakout and get back to 0.6942, below, right below the resistance, 0.7022. This is the major resistance, and right now it's heading down to test the new support 0.69. We got this level, we just deleted it a couple of days ago because it was not relevant because of the breakout, but right now became just very relevant. Round number 0.69, so watch it very closely. The Australian dollar right now is bearish, definitely, so it can reverse because it's Friday, but it's gonna be a slight reverse. So on Monday we're gonna check what's happening, but for now this is the situation. New Zealand US dropping down following the Australian, but of course with bigger volatility. 120 from the top, 120 pips drop for a couple of days. So 0.6682 was broken yesterday. We tested the day before the resistance 0.6719 here, as you can see, broke out, and I'm going to looking for similar price action today as 2 days before. So as you can see here, breakout, testing the resistance, immediate drop, and right now similar price action, testing the resistance, and after that drop to the downside. So this is it. I'm not gonna put any new support level. I want to see what's gonna happen today and probably on Monday we're gonna check. USD Canadian, so false breakout and tried yesterday to push to the downside. I was totally bearish on the USD Canadian. Just the crude oil decided to drop more. Let's take a look quickly the crude oil, and as you can see yesterday crude oil, I'm gonna go on 4-hour chart and you're gonna see, so drop, recovery, drop, and right now it's recovering to the upside, so it's creating a very tight range between 57.29 and 56, and not perfectly tested but still tested a couple of times, and the crude oil is definitely very ranging for the last couple of days. So considering the crude oil price action, USD Canadian is just didn't manage to break to the downside to test the resistance as I expected, and of course to see drop at least 1.3059 here around these levels. And what happened? Confirmed the breakout, and from now on, very carefully, but from now on I'm gonna looking for bullish opportunities to the upside. If we see further drop of the crude oil, definitely the Canadian goes down, with the crude oil and USDCAD supposed to go up. So what is happening? False break down to the downside and reversal to the upside. US dollar is gaining strength since yesterday. Let's see if it's gonna continue. USD Swiss tested 0.99, so we can expect further drop, but because of the strength of the US, we can see breakout to the upside. Stay away from USD Swiss for now, just simply because it's very unpredictable. As you can see, it was following very clear trend, and right now, since it's trying to break out this level, it can even go to the parity level 1.0 here. So USD Japanese, our last major currency pair. So for the last couple of days, you see there is an upside momentum, and today we can see slight recovery to the downside, but honestly speaking, I think we can definitely see a breakout of these levels probably next week. Otherwise, if this does not happen, you can see we have very strong resistance level. This is actually, we got this a couple of days ago, and we just deleted it because it was not relevant anymore. But right now 108.71 has been tested, and we can see a slight drop from this level. So simply, I'm not gonna be focused on USD Japanese. I'm gonna wait till next week to see how it's gonna perform. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel, thumbs up, comments below, share us on the social medias. Of course, if you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Have a very crazy weekend. Enjoy it, of course, relax, and of course, expect my video on Monday. Have fun.